company who cares a lot about security and always will. Now, what does it mean that security is job zero? It means that whenever we start anything, any project, start building any services, before we go to our number one item to check about what we want to do, we talk about security and we ensure that is part and into all different things we should do for our customers. With that, we also build a lot of capabilities into our platform, implement best practices. And when you as a customer bring in your workload onto cloud, you inherit those controls. We'll see some of these details in a little bit more detail going forward. Now, when you move your workload to AWS, there are a couple of key benefits which you enjoy in order to strengthen your security posture on the cloud like AWS. First and foremost, that you inherit the key compliance controls which we implement at the platform level. And you inherit those controls as part of your journey onto the cloud, so that you don't have to worry about some of the undifferentiated heavy lifting when it comes to security and compliance. Second most important thing is the visibility. We provide you a near real-time visibility into actions into your accounts. And your security team can leverage this capability to identify and detect issues. And they also do at the same time as your development team, which is one of the very key elements of DevOps, and include security into that journey wherein you can implement DevSecOps kind of methodology. We understand that you as a customer cares a lot about the privacy and security of your data. And that's why we offer you capability wherein when you bring in your workload onto AWS cloud, you retain control and ownership of your content. What does that mean? That means that you as a customer get to decide that which physical region you want to store your data. So for the customers like you who is based in India, you may need to meet some of the regulated entity and data localization requirement. You can select our Mumbai region to store your data. And as part of our commitment, we don't move your data unless you choose to do so out of that particular region. You also get to decide that how you want to store your data, how you want to secure the data at rest and in transit. At the same time, you get to decide that how you want to configure access to your data in the various means. So this gives you the immense capability and control in order to secure the privacy and the criticality of the data. Now, we have built automation deeply into our systems. And this automation is very key in today's world to move fast, at the same time stay secure. You as a customer get to enjoy these automation capabilities wherein the services are integrated with each other. So whenever you deploy any new services, you have an ability to identify any issues in near real time. And you can take advantage of these service integrations to ensure that you take more corrective actions or send a notification to right stakeholders in near real time. At the same time, there is also a need for the end customer to have access to some of the other capabilities outside of AWS platform, by which you need to implement some of these controls other than the AWS capability which you provide. And for that, we offer a very large ecosystem of partners through AWS Marketplace, which has more than 25 different categories. Solutions like Palo Alto Networks is also listed on that particular marketplace, which you can enjoy, which are very, very integrated with AWS. Moving on to talk about some of our customers in India who have running very meaningful workload on AWS Cloud. To name a few, like Tata Motors, SDFC Life, L&T Infotech, and Infosys are successfully able to leverage the AWS platform to run business sensitive and meaningful workload on cloud. Now at the other end of the spectrum, if we talk about the startup ecosystem, customers like BookMyShow or a CleverTap is running a customer-facing business critical workload because that is their core solutions which they run on the AWS. At the same time, customers like Zeta as well as the Razorpay, which are the regulated entity, is successfully running the regulated workload on cloud by meeting the better localization requirement as well as some of the regulatory requirement from security and compliance or a cybersecurity perspective, which are mandated by RBI. Now let's move on to look at how the responsibilities are shared. And I think you may have seen this in previous sessions by some of the folks from Palo Alto as well. The key messaging here is that this shared responsibility model gives you the ability wherein you are relieved from the heavy lifting of managing the underlying platform, because it's AWS who manages the components and the security and availability of that platform, from the host operating system, hypervisor, and down below to the physical infrastructure as well as the services. At the same time, you retain control and ownership of your content, and you have a capability to implement the other security and compliance related requirement which could be part of your internal or external regulatory requirement. So that includes having a complete access over your operating system for the hardening or patching, or ability to ensure that network firewall related rules are implemented as per your best practices. At the same time, to fulfill this particular requirement, you have an access to the solutions from the partner ecosystem like Palo Alto Networks, wherein they give you the different capability to ensure security and compliance at the network side of it, at the endpoint side of it, and also get the near real-time visibility into how your security and compliance posture is measuring vis-a-vis the industry standard compliance frameworks. Just to be deep dive into what you inherit from the compliance posture which we offer at the platform level. So AWS platform is in line with many industry standard accreditation and certifications. To name a few, you enjoy the control which we implement and get accredited by third-party validations across SOC 1, 2, ISO 27001, 17, 18, PCI